Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I edit outdoor photographies. So first off, open up your Lightroom app and then open up any outdoor photos that you want to edit. So I will choose this wedding photo over here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the exact slider palettes that I use to get a more better outdoor photography. So first off, let's tap on the edit button over here, which will bring up the basic panel. And first, I'm going to be increasing the exposure. So go over to the light over here and then increase the exposure by about 0.40, and then lower the contrast by 12. And then for the highlights, you have to pull it down to 45. Just like that. And then lift up the shadows by 35. Just about there. And now I will increase the whites by 20 to increase the overall brightness. And then I want to decrease the black by 25. And now go over to the colors tab, and then for the 10%, put it around 50. And then for the tint, increase it by 6 so that the skin tones look natural. And now go over to the effects button over here, and then decrease the texture by around 4, and decrease the clarity by 10 so that it looks more softer and looks more romantic as it is a wedding picture. And then also reduce the dehaze by around 4. Alright, now again go over to the color panel over here and scroll all the way down, and then you have to decrease the saturation by around 5 or 6 so that it doesn't look oversaturated. And now scroll up and then tap on the mix button over here, and then select orange and then decrease the hue by 2 or 4 so that it looks more natural on the skin tones. And then select the yellow and then decrease the hue by 12. And now select green and decrease the hue by 18. So now the grass looks a lot softer. And now for the saturation, select the yellow and decrease the saturation by 20. And now you can select green and decrease the saturation by 24. And now for the skin tone, I have to select on orange and then decrease the saturation by 8 so that it looks more fair. Increase the luminance by 10 so that the skin looks more glowing, and then select green and increase it to 12. This makes it look like the grass isn't so muddy. And that's it for this, and you can close it. And what you have to do is go over to details and then increase the sharpening by about 35. The radius should be on 1 and the detail dial it back down to 20. And for the masking, bump it up to 70. And that's it. I think this will be enough. So you can close all this. And if you tap and hold on the image, it will show the before image. And now as you can see, it looks a lot more brighter and it looks better in my opinion. So there's the after and here's the before. And that's it for the video today. If you have any questions, then leave them down in the comments below and I will be answering them. And if this video has helped you, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.